Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Zone YouTube channel. Here we study class 11th NCERT Chemistry, chapter number 1st, some basic concept of chemistry. We already learned main points of chemistry, physical state of matter, classification of matter and law of chemical combination also. Now we will study Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton atomic theory given by Dalton in 1808. 1808. Okay, it is published as a new system of chemical philosophy, as a new system of chemical philosophy. According to this philosophy, some main points considered, such as matter consists of individual atoms. Matter consists individual atoms. It means atoms can't be divisible in the matter. Okay, next, second point, consider all the atoms of a given elements have identical properties. All the atoms of a given elements have identical properties, such as identical mass. Atoms of different element differ in mass. All the atoms of a given element मीन्स किसी भी एलिमेंट के सारे एटम्स हैव आइडेंटिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. इंक्लूडिंग आइडेंटिकल मास. Where if elements is different, then atoms have different in mass. Next, third point, consider that compounds are formed when atoms of different element combine in a fixed ratio. Compounds are formed when atoms of different element combine in a fixed ratio. In a fixed ratio. Okay. Compounds, when compounds form when different elements combine in a fixed ratio. Okay, next, fourth one is the chemical reaction involve reorganization of atoms. Chemical reaction involve reorganization of atoms, and these are neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. These atoms neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Now, What is the atomic and molecular masses? Atomic and molecular masses. Atomic and molecular masses. What is atomic and molecular masses? Atomic mass. Atomic mass is very small quantity. Because atom is very small, and it is in present time atomic mass is based on carbon 12. Atomic mass is based on carbon 12 as a standard. You all know that carbon 12 is the isotopes of carbon. It is isotopes of carbon. Okay. And what is mass? Atomic mass based on carbon 12. Carbon 12 is the mass of exactly 12 atomic mass unit. Carbon 12 is the mass of exactly 12 atomic mass unit. In short, it's known as AMU. Okay, and masses of all other elements are given relative to this standard. It means 1 AMU mass equal to 1 upon 12 mass of 1 upon 12 into mass of carbon atom. Carbon 12. So now the value of 1 AMU equal to 1.66056 into 10 की power minus 24 gram. We can calculate the mass of hydrogen in the unit of AMU, such as mass of an atom of hydrogen. An atom of hydrogen. One 1.6736 into 10 की power minus 24, while in terms of AMU, mass of hydrogen equal to 1.6736 divided by 1.66056 into 10 की power minus 24 1 10 की power minus 24. This value is 1.0078 AMU. It means mass of hydrogen atom in AMU 1.008 AMU, while mass of oxygen in AMU would be, we calculate in this way, 15.995 AMU. Okay, next, what is the average atomic masses? Atomic masses which we used actually is the average atomic masses. Okay, many elements exist more than one isotope, such as 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. These are the isotopes of hydrogen, and we can see isotopes of carbon, carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Its relative masses. This is a table, its relative masses and its atomic masses. Its relative mass is 0.9889 and relative mass of 13 carbon 0.01108 and relative mass of carbon 14 2 into 10 to power minus 12, while atomic mass of carbon 12 is 12 and atomic mass of carbon 13 is 13.0036 and carbon 14.00317. We can calculate its average atomic masses. How we calculate average atomic masses of carbon? Average atomic mass of carbon equal to first relative atomic mass of carbon 12 multiply its atomic mass plus relative atomic mass of carbon 13, its multiply by atomic mass of carbon 13 plus relative mass of carbon 14 multiply by atomic mass of carbon 14. Then it's calculate. After calculating we find it 12.001 U. Atomic mass is also represent as unit. It means atomic mass unit AMU, also called unified mass, which is denoted by U. Okay, next we will learn what is molecular mass. Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of elements present in the molecule. What is molecular mass? Molecular mass is the sum of atomic masses of the elements present in molecules, such as sum of atomic masses of elements present in the molecules. If we calculate the molecular masses of methane molecule, in the methane molecule elements are 1 carbon plus 4 hydrogen. Its molecular mass, atomic mass of carbon, its average atomic mass 12.011 unit plus 4 hydrogen, atomic mass of 1 hydrogen 1.008 unit. When we will calculate, we will find 16.043 unit. Okay, next we can calculate molecular mass of water, and in water 2 hydrogen molecule plus 1 oxygen molecules, so 2 into molecule atomic mass of 1 hydrogen 1.008 plus it's 1 oxygen, not 10. Atomic mass of 1 oxygen molecule is 16.00 unit. After calculating we will get 18.02 unit. It's molecular mass of water molecule. and we can try molecular masses of glucose C6H12O6. It's a homework. You will try it, okay? And next topic is what is formula mass. What is formula mass? Some substance such as sodium chloride are arranged in 3D. Sodium chloride are arranged in 3D structure in the form of positive and negative ions. Sodium chloride, it means NaCl. Where Na is positive and chloride is negative. And in this molecule, in sodium chloride molecule, one sodium atom is surrounded by 6 chlorine atom, and vice versa, and one chlorine atom surrounded by 6 Na. Okay. So now formula mass of sodium chloride equal to atomic mass of sodium and atomic mass of chlorine. Atomic mass of sodium plus atomic mass of chloride. This is the formula for every crystal system or every compound. Formula mass of NaCl equal to atomic mass of sodium. What is atomic mass of sodium? 23.0 unit. 23.0 unified mass plus what is atomic mass of chloride? 35.5 unit mass, and it's calculate on adding it, we will get 58.5 unit mass. This is the formula mass of NaCl. Okay, that's all for this video. Next we will learn in next video. Thank you.